Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if that time of the month has you down, then you need to get yourself a menstruation crustacean. This fun, cuddly little plush heating pad from Intoypad is the best friend you can have during your moon times. This great little heating pad has a wheat grain lavender scented heating pad inside of him. All you have to do is open the Velcro back, stick the heating pad in the microwave for up to 90 seconds, insert it back into your little crustacean friend, and you will have the most cozy, comfy, silly heating pad that is out there. I love this little guy, and I think he is the perfect companion to have when Aunt Flo comes to visit. He is just the perfect size to sit right on my lap or on my lower back, and he not only brings me relief from uncomfortable feelings, but brings a smile to my face just by looking at him. I love this little guy so much, and I love how it has this wonderful lavender scent, and it really just helps not only bring calmness, but that right amount of pressure and heat that you know you love during that time. So when Shark Week comes to call, arm yourself with a menstruation crustacean and you will be able to power through, and that is my point of view.